Today I'm going to show you what to do when you get enter code on your factory stereo on a 2006 to 2011 Honda Civic. Usually this happens when you disconnect the battery or when the stereo is taken out of the car. So this is what the message looks like. It says enter code. Usually that's a 5-digit code that comes with the stereo, or it comes with the car. You can find the code in your owner's manual. It'll look something like, it's a little card, looks something like this. It's that 5-digit code right there. Or sometimes if you look in the glove box, it's to the side, right there, you see its number. So that number pertains to that code right there for the stereo. So again, my code is 43442. So what you're going to do is you're going to enter 4, which come to this button right here. So that's a 4. And then the next one is 3. So go to the number 3. Then 4. Then 4. Then your last digit is 2. So now that you input that, and you're pretty much ready to go. So just reset your stereo and the station, and then you're done.